Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to use your GoDaddy domain with a Google site? In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect them in just a few minutes. No coding needed. Before we start, make sure you have a published Google site, a GoDaddy domain, access to both accounts ready. Let's go. First of all, open your Google site, Google Sites, and choose your content from here like that. Now click on Publish from the right sidebar. Then copy the published URL. Click the settings icon. Something like sites google.com, your site.com. From here, copy it. Now we will use this when setting up the custom domain. Now go to settings, then click use my existing domain, or go back to here. Now click the settings icon and now click connect domain. Then select use a domain from a third party and click next. Enter your domain name from GoDaddy like yoursite.com, then click next again. Google will now give you DNS records to add in GoDaddy, typically HNAME and TXT record. These are used to verify your domain and point it to Google. Now log into your GoDaddy account, go to my products. Now click the DNS from domain section, then click manage. From this page, click DNS. Under DNS record, add the TXT record Google gave you for verification. Then add a CNAME pointing www.ghs.googlehosted.com. Save the records. DNS updates can take a few minutes to an hour. Now back in Google Sites, then click the verify and wait for the confirmation. If everything is correct, your custom domain will be connected. Now open your domain in a new tab and you should see your Google site live on your GoDaddy domain. Your records look like that. First select txt in host, type @ in value, paste the txt code from Google, then ttl can stay at default 1 hour or auto. Then click save. Now add CNAME. Type www as the host. Point it to ghs.googlehosted.com. Then save it. Now let's talk about why GoDaddy. GoDaddy is one of the most well-known and widely used domain registrars and web hosting companies in the world. Whether you are starting your first website or managing multiple online businesses, GoDaddy offers a mix of tools, reliability, and support that's ideal for beginners and small businesses. Key reasons to choose GoDaddy: trusted brand and global reach. Over 20 million, over 20 plus million customers worldwide, established reputation since 1997. One of the largest ICANN accredited. Easy domain management by transfer and manage domains from one dashboard. Huge domain inventory, including new and premium extensions, built-in domain privacy and DNS management. Domains hosting, website builder, email, and marketing tools all under one roof. Ideal for beginners who want everything in one place. 24-hour and 7 days customer support. Phone and chat support available anytime. Knowledge base with tutorials and guides. Reliable hosting options. Offers shared VPS, WordPress, and dedicated hosting. 99.9% uptime guarantee. Data centers in the US, Europe, and Asia for fast site loading. User-friendly interface. Intuitive dashboard with clear navigation. One-click WordPress installs. Great for non-technical users. Email and professional branding. Professional email like your domain.com. Available Microsoft 36 365 integration. Ideal for small business branding. Scalable for growth. Smart start small and upgrade as your site grows, and SSL security backups and SEO tools as needed. So that's it. If this video helped, like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you are building with your subdomain. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.